I'm Adam. Here's Fred.
Hello, I'm Fred.
Hello.
What's happening, guys?
We're exciting.
Yeah, we're going to Sitges.
We're off to Sitges. So we are heading to the airport now. It's only 20 minutes away, London City Airport, and we'll see you there. And we are here at the airport. Hello. So we've been through check-in. That took about 30 seconds. Then we went to security. There was no line there, but Daniel and Fred's bags got searched, so we were there a little bit longer than normal. But yeah, literally, London City Airport, just no queues for anything, which is really, really good. We've come for a beer. We just sat outside. I don't think that's our plane, but it's a plane, which is good. Good to know there's some here. So we have about an hour before we board, so we're just having a quick pint, and then we will get on the plane. And here's Daniel with the drinks. Fabulous. What have you got, Daniel? Oh, it's a very large glass of wine.
A glass of wine, medium.
And medium, that's not medium, that's massive.
Massive would be massive, that's medium. A pint of Camden Hell.
Oh, very nice, thank you.
And Freddy's having a latte.
Here comes Fred.
Not having alcohol, yeah.
He's a good boy.
This is a latte.
Perfect. What are your expectations for Sitges, Fred?
Some sunshine.
That'd be nice.
Chickens.
Chicken, yeah, plenty of polo.
Yeah.
Mucho pollo.
Mucho pollo would be nice.
Yes. And chips.
And having fun with my friends.
And a boat party.
Yeah, boat party.
That'd be good fun.
And a lot of fun with my friends.
Yay. We're off to the gate, so we're gate 23, so we're just walking down. It's a nice day outside today, it's very warm in London. So we are travelling business. Look, there's Fred. So we're on our way. We should be on the plane soon. Plane is on time, which is good. So yeah, let's go. We're on the plane. So we're travelling business class. There's only 3 rows of business class, so it's very nice. You're excited, Daniel?
Just wait for everybody in front of you.
Look outside, there's nothing much to see. But yeah, the plane should be on time. I think the plane is full, which is good because they're asking people to give up the hand luggage and put it in the hold. So the champagne is Nicholas Fayette, which is very nice. We've got our lunch, we've got some 2 lots of pretzels. I've got the vegetarian option because the other one is sold out. Then he's got the beef and also, which is very, very nice. And then we've got mousse and a bread bun. It's all good. So we're about an hour 10 minutes into the flight, and look what's happened. We got more champagne. It's all going very, very well. So yes, keep going. Just keep going until we land. So pity the flight isn't a little bit longer. 3 hours would have been better. But never mind. And we've made it to Barcelona. So we landed on time, which was great. 5-minute wait through immigration, have my fingerprints done again. I think they're going to be doing every time now. I'm just waiting for the luggage.
It's not great for the luggage. We're waiting for at least 20 minutes now.
Well, we landed at 5:30, it's 8 o'clock, so the luggage should be soon.
Yeah.
But what can you do? What can you do? And we are here in the hotel. It's okay, we've checked in. Taxi drive was about 30 minutes. So let's go and have a look at the room. So we are in room 702. So let's see if there's anyone in. Anybody in?
Oh,
It's
hello.
Freddie!
Welcome in the 702.
Thank you very much. So here we are. Oh, there's the bunny, drunk. Let's start with the bathroom. So the bathroom's nice. So we've got 2 big sinks. Toilet, royal throne is there. Nice big power shower. We can all get naked together later. It's not one of those blogs, don't worry. Then we have a nice big kitchen area, big fridge, which is most important for all the wine. Fred's gonna cook. We bought a big bottle of Whispering Angel with us. That's for the boat trip. Freddie's got his little
Cabinet.
den. His den.
Yeah.
His den.
It's Harry Potter.
His cell. And nice big bedroom for the 2 buddies, which is nice. It's okay. It's cool. There's aircon. We have a nice big living room area. It's big, isn't it? With table so we can cook dinner.
It's big TV. Look. Nice
Oh, yes.
sofa.
TV.
Yeah.
We have a TV.
And the aircon is on and is working
The aircon.
perfectly.
And look outside. We have a massive balcony. Here we go. There's the aircon. And look at this view. Wow. We have the sea. We have a pool view. It's amazing. So guys, first impressions.
I am very happy.
You happy?
I'm speechless.
I was worried that my husband wouldn't like.
No, it's a very good choice, and I
It's
think
fine.
very good location, amazing view,
We only walk away from the
and it seems to be the tallest building in the area.
Yeah, and we're only a few minutes from Gayville. So we will we're gonna get changed, head out, get some food and a few drinks, and we'll see you tomorrow.